Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I am continuing a collab with J Dolls UK that is also a challenge sent out to anyone that would like to join us on YouTube by making their own video. And what we're doing this September is making a doll become a pirate, or maybe you have a doll that is a pirate that you would like to feature on your channel. Jay and I are taking Blythe dolls and using them as our Dolls Gone Goth dolls, and this is part of that. And this hashtag will be Dolls Gone Goth Pirates. And what I'm going to show you today is how to make a tricorn hat. And I'm showing this on Barbie. And Barbie is wearing part of her outfit that we're going to be doing with the beginner crafters coming up. So you can look forward to that. This is actually a reversible dress, or skirt rather. But I made the little tricon hat. I buy these hats in the dolls section of Hobby Lobby. They're cheap. This is a midi Blythe size, or 1/3 BJD doll, and it was $1.19. This one I think might have been $1.99. I'm not sure, I can't remember. And this one I think was 99 cents. This will fit Barbie or Ken or miniature Blythe doll, dolls that size. This one will fit your American Girls, your 18-inch dolls, or your Blythe doll. And this is going to be for my Gothia, who is my goth doll. And I did her hair, and I made her chemise. A chemise is the bottom layer of what people would have worn back then, women. And it is put on and taken off by a gather of the shoulders, the neck seam. And I have this blue, which usually they would have been a cream color. White would not have been as popular as the cream color, or the white would have looked like a cream color. I went with this light blue because I had it. What I did was I just laid my doll, or no, I used a Barbie pattern for this. The sleeves are a different pieces than the front and the back. And I made it extra long so that it would become a chemise. And now the hat, I took this out. Actually, they look like this when I bought them. Took them out. I did one coat of black spray paint on one side and one coat on the other. And what we're going to do is very simply, I have these beautiful plume black feathers somewhere. I put them up. I had bought them after New Year's Day, which they were for. And I'm deciding where I want this. Okay, for your first stitch, you're going to pull that up, not all the way tight, put your needle back through, turn it over. Because of the width of the mesh on the hat, you're going to catch that knot and go between your two threads, your double thread. And then you want to decide, do you want this up high or do you want it lower, or just how you want that? Well, I'm going to go like this. All right, and then you tie that down, and I'm going to take this more forward because I want that a tighter corner, which is tricorn hat. And when I get done stitching each one, that's what we'll have. Usually I make my tri-corners a little more symmetric, and I'll probably go back and fix that. And this is where I would take the big plume black feather that I have somewhere in this house and cannot find, and sew right onto one of the sides. You could also take a skull bead and put that here, or decorate this any way you'd like. But so far, this is what I have for my little pirate. I'm guessing that my plume feathers are right next to my brown pleather that I need to make her little boots, or at least take a swing at it, as well as her vest. The challenge that J Dolls UK and I are putting out to anyone on YouTube that would like to make a video is for September 16th to have your pirate videos up. And if you'll use the hashtag DollsGoneGothPirates, it will show up in the folder, and then on the 16th when we all go watch them, you'll be in that folder and there'll be more viewers to your channel to see your pirates. And thank you to J Dolls UK. I am having such a good time with the little pirates. I'd be having more fun if I could find my brown pleather and my plume feathers. Say that fast 3 times. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.